Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Maths. Question number 92. A shop sells 2 pieces of cakes for $1 and 4 cream puffs for $1. 一个商店卖2块蛋糕是1块钱 $1 and 4块这个叫做奶油泡芙，它也卖1块钱 $1. Aunt Jenny 这个叫 aunt 应该叫做什么阿姨吧Aunt Jenny bought an equal number of cakes and cream puffs. 她买的是同样数量的 equal number. And if she paid $12, how many pieces of cakes did she buy? So 我们来看 cakes 是怎么卖的 cakes 2 for $1. And for puffs 我就把它缩写了啊，不要写的 cream puffs 啊 puffs for short 4 for $1. But since Aunt Jenny bought equal number of cakes and puffs, so we enlarge 2 for $1 for cakes to 4 for $2. So for every 4 pieces of cakes and 4 cream puffs Aunt Jenny bought, she might spend $1 on puffs and $1 on puffs and $2 on cakes. Total will be $3 for every 4 cakes and 4 puffs. And 最后他付了12元，我们的$12 divided by 3 equals 4. Alright. 那么也就是说他买了4份啊 for what? For sets. 4 sets of this one is one set. One set, okay? One set. 一组的。So the question is how many pieces of cakes did she buy? 她买了多少块蛋糕呢？4组，每一组有什么？每一组有4片4 times 4 16 16 pieces of cakes. Alright, answers here. 好吗？这道题还是比较简单的，它是一个买了同样数量 equal number 的一个题型。以后可能我们还会见到的题型是spend equal amount of money on certain items 对于某一些东西他们是花了同样多的钱，所以说这种题型会变成叫做同数量和同价格问题同花费问题。Okay, and that is all for this question. This is Teacher J. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.